your name?
My name is Doraemon.
Doraemon, you're welcome to Kids 1B Meet Video Test. Where are you from?
I'm from Milan.
And where do you live?
I live in Hungary.
Alright, how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. What's your favorite food?
I like burger.
Okay. And what's your favorite drink?
I like Coca.
Okay. And what's your favorite color?
I like blue.
Blue. And what's your favorite fruit?
I like watermelon.
Watermelon. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, so let's go to number one.
Piece of flower.
Number one flower. Number two.
Piece of tree.
Number three.
Piece of road.
Number four.
Piece of flower.
Okay. Number
Piece,
four.
piece of river.
River. Number five.
Piece of hill.
Hill. And number six.
Piece of lake.
Alright, so let's go. What can you see? Number five. What can you see?
I can see flower.
Number five. What can you
I
see?
can see a hill.
Good. Number one. What can you see?
I can see a flower.
Number one. What can you see?
I can see a flower.
And number two. What can you see?
I can see a tree.
Alright. Now I need you to look at the picture very closely and interpret them. Number two.
I can play soccer.
Good. Number three.
I can tumble.
And number seven.
I can ride.
And number six.
I can fly a kite.
Number six.
I can fly a kite.
Very good. Number one.
Turtle.
Number two.
Frog.
Number three.
Spider.
And number four.
Ant.
Good. So number seven. Can you see a frog? Number seven. Can you see a frog?
No, I can't.
Number five. Can you see a spider?
Yes, I can.
And number three. Can you see a turtle?
No, I can't.
And number one. Can you see a frog?
Yes, I can.
Alright. Number three. Where is the tiger?
The tiger is on the rock.
And where is the bear?
The bear is under the rock.
And where is the elephant?
The elephant is on the lake.
Alright, so let's go. Number four. Number four. Where are the zebras?
They are on the tree. They are under the tree.
Okay, and where are the lions?
That they are on the tree.